here we are. This is not looking like it's looking uneven and bulky, but I'm hoping that once I put this little piece and we wrap the piece around it, listen, I have an event tonight, right, for District Motherhood. They're hosting their annual Moms Giving, which is really like, I don't know, 60 to about 100 moms get together for a dinner, break bread together, and it's really just to celebrate the year that we as moms have had, all of our accomplishments, is to build sisterhood and community, and this is actually one of my favorite events of the year. So with that said, I wanted something new in terms of a look, and I didn't want to wear my curls or whatnot. Why am I talking in past tense? Like, I don't want to wear my curls. I've been rocking these, what is it? These little pigtail situation for a little bit here. Like, y'all, look at this. Don't give me long hair. Like, really, do not give me long hair, okay? Anyhow, so yeah, I've been rocking these, and let's just go ahead and just take these out. And so I said, you know what? Let me try a ponytail situation. But the thing is, I don't want to work that hard to create this ponytail. Like, I don't have time for glue. I don't have time, hold on. So the event is tonight. I'm real simple when it comes to hair. You guys know I'm not a wig, weave, ponytail type of person, but for this one I was like, okay, I got this little purple dress situation and I want to give a different look. So guess what I bought, y'all? I bought some ponytails, okay? So I did some research on YouTube, you know, because the YouTube girls, they stay with a sleek ponytail, all right? And I said, listen, I don't have a lot of time. I don't have time for glue. I think this is what I was talking about before my son interrupted me. So yeah, I don't have time for glue. I don't have time for blow dryers. I don't have time to straighten my hair, bone straight. I don't have time for baby hairs. Like, I'm too old for that. I want something that I can literally just like plop on my head and look good for one evening. So this is what the whole goal of today's look is, to look good and presentable, a low sleek ponytail for one night. That is why I purchased these ponytails here. So so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this drawstring ponytail, okay? It says equal yaki straight. I have no idea what any of this means. Like, I went into the beauty supply store and I was like, I just want something to pop on my head, long, and I needed to kind of sort of match my hair color, okay? This is what the girl at the beauty supply store told me to get. So I got this. It's a drawstring, all right? And apparently you literally pop it on and you go, and it like tightens around your hair, and then you do your thing. You could braid it, you could do whatever. So this is what I'm going to be using. It is 18 inches long and it's straight. Speaking of Amazon, I went ahead and before I purchased this, these were the ponytails that I purchased first, okay? So there's two ponytails. I really wanted these two ponytails, well, this style of ponytail, because apparently you just put it on like a regular, like, you know, like a ponytail. And then it comes in, what is this? 4 pieces here, 3 pieces to braid. So I was like, oh my gosh, how easy. Like, you can't get much easier than this, right? So it comes with 3 pieces to braid and this little piece here that's already like separated out to put around the ponytail. This is what I wanted. I do not think that this is gonna be like this. So hopefully this is still easy. Okay. So that's a little bit better match than the other ones, the Amazon ones, right? But I just have to keep in mind, this is just for one night. I don't have to have it like perfect, right? I think that this is gonna be okay. Comment and let me know if you think that this matches, okay? Like, I don't wanna be out here in the streets looking foolish. All right, so we're gonna open it up. Okay, I'm gonna have to brush this a little bit. Okay, so it's definitely straight. Oh, I don't know, is this gonna, okay, oh, okay. I probably should have watched a YouTube video. Like, I didn't watch them in its entirety, especially for this drawstring one. So I'm guessing you put this on top of the ponytail, this on the bottom when I do the low pony, and then here's the drawstring, and then you just draw it tight. That's what I'm thinking, right? Just really, here he is. Did you guys watch last week's video of X? I did his hair. If you didn't check out that video, go check it out. Real life, this is the day after we did his hair. And look at that. Doesn't his curls look so good? Come on, Mish. Come on, Mish Beauty Mousse. Yes, I like that. I like that. I'll put his products that I use in the link to his video. Okay, out. First things first, it's time to slick down the hair to make it smooth. So I'm gonna make sure that I brush all throughout my hair, and then I'm gonna create a side part using this small comb situation here. And then I'm gonna go back through with the detangle brush and get out all the tangles because my hair is filthy and it's been a while since I washed. And I wanna make sure that I brush out the middle of my hair so that all the hair can lay down smooth. The Frizz Patrol, just the Frizz Patrol by Aunt Jackie's. I like using this, especially for styles. Okay, I don't like wasting products, okay? Especially products that cost a little bit more money. So if I were to like use the Dews Mousse Def, that would cost, I think it's like almost $15 some places. It's between $13 and $15. This, I believe, is like $10, okay? So we're gonna use this. I have just enough left, I think. See that? Yeah, I have just enough left. And then this is the real MVP, okay? This is just gonna have your edges so slicked down with a lot of hold, but really, really soft. And then we're gonna put a scarf over it. I don't use glue. I don't know nothing about no glue, no Gorilla. I don't know nothing about no blow dryer, nothing. It is not that serious for me, okay? Now that the edge wax and mousse have been applied, I'm gonna go ahead and brush out my hair one more time. Y'all know what it is to do a low pony on natural hair without blow drying. Like, it is a struggle to get it smooth, but I think I pretty much worked it all in. Now I'm gonna take some mousse and I'm gonna comb out and put that mousse onto the ponytail. And then I'm gonna put some edge wax just so all the small hairs can stay in place, wrap it around my fingers, and I think we have a little low bun. The ponytail doesn't work out, I can still wear it in this low, sleek bun. Get into this hair color though. Okay, we have a problem. Look at that. All that blonde that I was seeing is gone. We have a problem. And my sister told me, don't walk out the house like this. Oh my gosh, so this is giving brown. Okay, let's go back to the Amazon ones and let's see if we have a better match. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on, y'all. This was going very well. Very, very, very well. Okay, so you see the subtleties and color differences? So right now, like I said, look at that. Let me just go to the back. Let's go to the back. I'm gonna need you guys' help. Can we figure this out? Okay. Let me put this here. So first things first. Okay, so we have this one, and that's gonna come down. Can we get away with this? I don't know. This is the Amazon one. Remember, I still have the Amazon. Oh my gosh. If I put this around and braid it. The Amazon one. That's what I was thinking. It has a little bit more darker in it, right?
Yeah, that one's giving blonde.
Right, and then when I braid this should be okay, right?
Yeah, but let's put them together. I think you should put them together.
That's gonna be a big old braid.
It's not it. I already told you. It's not it.
Actually,
What did you say?
he was a hater. This is it.
Wait, let me see you. Turn to me. Turn to me.
I think.
It's not it, man.
The way the light hits your arm, it doesn't look bad. It's giving victims towards the.
Hold on, let's take a break because I shared this robe from Cozy Earth and I love it. It's so thick. It has like little waffle holes in here. Oh, it's made from bamboo. It's soft, it's luxurious. Okay, go ahead and get you one for the holidays. I get 40% off at Cozy Earth. So if Is this the camera? I don't know. Anyhow, y'all hear me. I shared. At this point, this is a complete struggle fest, all right? Like, I was just supposed to be able to pop this thing on my head and go, and it's not turning out that way. So right here, I was having a hard time because these clips weren't clipping onto my hair or the ponytail, and I had a whole bunch of space. So that was kind of weird for me. Then when I tried to wrap the hair around the ponytail, I was pulling the other hair, and I had a hard time putting the bobby pins in. So then you can see right here, like I pulled some other hair in the ponytail, and it just wasn't smooth. It was bulky. It wasn't sleek. And I repeated these steps quite a few times before I decided that, yeah, this isn't just gonna work for me. Guess what? Yeah, I couldn't figure it out for the life of me. I'm disgraced. Like, I have a whole YouTube channel with hair, and I can't even put on a drawstring ponytail. I'm humbled. Like, this thing, it just humbled me. This is why the girls pay to go get their hair done, because who has the time for this? Who? I don't have the time, which is why I said, you know what, let me go ahead and get ready for this event, because this right here is something else. All right, so I did my makeup, was supposed to do my nails, don't have enough time to do that. So my look, I'm feeling a little self-conscious for the event because I really was supposed to be a little bit more done up. Like, the ponytail was just about to do it, like, and I was gonna be dancing, like, this was about to give, and it didn't, like, ugh. But I think some of my mistakes were this. Number one, I didn't watch a YouTube video or anything. I just watched a few TikTok videos and figured that, baby, it's easy as 1, 2, 3, snap, snap, pull. I'm good to go. I had no idea that it was going to be a little bit more difficult than what it is. Number two, these things right here, the clips, they never were able to like fully clip in and around my little ponytail here. Because if you look in the back, this ponytail, like this little bun situation that I have here, is super small. And this space that I had in here, even when I would like, let's see, yeah, even when I was like drawing it up, like it never got that tight around. Like there was a lot of space in here, and I don't think it could like really catch on. That's why it was looking so bulky in the back. And then I couldn't figure out how to properly, you know, wrap the hair around it, try to braid it, it didn't work out. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube videos, some how-tos, and I'm gonna come back to this drawstring ponytail, you know, maybe over Christmas break when I have more time. This lets me know that, girl, stick to your element, and your element is curls, natural hair. So if you liked today's video, despite me having an epic fail with this little ponytail situation, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never, ever miss out on any videos or content. And until next time, bye, girlfriend.